Planning an international move? Choosing the wrong moving company can lead to delays, damaged belongings, hidden fees, and a lot of unnecessary stress. So how do you find a mover you can actually trust? Start by checking whether the company is licensed and experienced with international moves, and international relocations involve customs regulations, shipping logistics, paperwork, and overseas coordination, so experience matters. Look for consistent feedback on communication, delivery times, professionalism, problem handling, and consistent praise. You should also ask for a detailed written estimate. Trustworthy movers explain exactly what is included in the price, such as packing, shipping, storage, customs handling, and delivery services. Another important step is verifying memberships and certifications. Reputable international movers are often connected with professional moving associations and industry organizations that follow higher service standards. Insurance is also critical. Ask what protection options are available for your belongings during international transport, and understand what is covered before signing any agreement. Most importantly, avoid rushing the process. Compare multiple companies, ask questions, and make sure you fully understand the timeline, pricing, and shipping method before booking. A reliable international mover can make your move smoother, safer, and less stressful. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.